Get in the loop with Volt Canada, your online battery store. Today, we'll be covering how to test a 12-volt battery with a multimeter. You will need a multimeter, a 12-volt battery, safety gloves, and safety goggles. Remember, safety first. You will first need to connect the red and black probes to your multimeter. Connect the red probe to the voltage, resistance and current terminals also marked as battery. Remember to insert it all the way for reliable connection. Next, connect your black probe to the COM terminal also known as your ground. You now created a complete circuit for measuring voltage on your multimeter. It's now time to set the stage for voltage. Grab your multimeter and turn the dial or display to the V symbol, which typically has a straight line below or above it. Select 20 volts for your 12-volt battery. The general rule is select a voltage greater than your battery, choosing the number closest to it. In this case, that means 20 volts. Next, determine the positive and negative terminals on your battery. Make sure your battery terminals are clean and free of any corrosion before testing. Now, you're ready to connect. Grab your red and black multimeter leads and connect red to the positive terminal and black to the negative terminal. Make sure you maintain consistent contact for reliable results. Our reading was 12.81, which means our battery is within the fully charged rates of 12.6 and 12.8. Visit Volt Canada for our in-depth blog. We also tested a 12-volt lithium battery, which is the same process, but this time our multimeter measurement was 11.47 volts, which is below what is considered discharged at 12.4 volts. This means our battery needs to be charged or investigated further. Always try cleaning your battery terminals and recharging before continuing. There are several other factors that may affect the life of your battery, including capacity and internal resistance. Load testing might also be necessary for a complete evaluation. For more details, visit our blog at voltloop.ca.